Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install our Commander inside your Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3 produced after 2019 up to 2023. It's the rear installation. You can find it at the back of your central console or at the side next to the driver's footwell if your car is newer. Let's go ahead and move to the installation. First, make sure to move the two seats forward so you have better access, and then start from right and the left. If your car is newer, it will be a little bit stiffer and harder to do it, but with a little bit force it will be okay. Once the plastic piece is removed, you will see the blue connector. Again, if it's not here, it's at the left side of the central console next to the driver's footwell. The cable is the same. It's called rear cable installation, and it's like this. It has a longer cable for the Commander and also a shorter cable which is for future use. For now you don't need to plug it anywhere, but in the future maybe we will release something for it. So let's go ahead with the cable. You can plug it from one of the sides and then to the other. Then, in order to close the plastic cover, make sure that you twist the cable clockwise like this and press it so that you can close the plastic cover. Make sure to hear the click from the left and from the right. Then you can get the Commander and plug it in the connector and place it at the side next to the passenger's seat. That's all. It's that simple. It just takes 2 minutes and you're good to go. Get our app from the App Store and configure your Commander the way you want it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one. Bye.